Hello, everyone. You are welcome to today's family program. I'm your host, Dr. Albert Kitcher, and I want to wish each and every one of you a happy new year. 2023 is finally here. We have been doing this program for many years, but in the Russian language. And upon the request of many of you who received a transcribed version of the program, we are now going to bring you this program in English. We hope it will be a blessing to you, it will help you, and it will also make you build strong families. Today's Family is an organization that basically focuses on developing and helping the family so that there will be harmony in the relationship, in the communication, and in living together through different phases and stages of life. Today's family program also focuses on the people who are in need in our society: children, orphans, widows, widowers, and many other people who are vulnerable. We are not indifferent to what happens in our society. We make sure we put in our little bit that we can in order to make sure we have a peaceful coexistence between people in our society. Today's family over the years have addressed different issues concerning the family. We have held roundtable conferences. We have done consultations using the services of professionals and people who are competent and have experience. We have spoken with authors of books on family and relationship, and we are bringing you these same packages now in English. Thank you so much for letting us know you would love this, and we hope you would continue to watch and share, like, and participate actively in this program. I believe that this whole world is based on relationship because no one is an island. And especially when people get together in marriage, then they begin a new life. It's a new world in another world. And most of the times, because people do not have any foreknowledge or are not prepared towards what to expect in the marriages or in the relationships, then they begin to have problems. And I can assure you, when there is problem in the home, there'll be problem at work. There'll be problem in the school. There'll be problem in the society. It all starts from the family. So we want you to really prioritize the relationships in your family. We are not the best in town, but we are very relevant with what we do. And if you would consistently participate, watch, and be actively involved in what we do, you will see a difference in your relationship. This year, we want to also focus on the young adults and especially the people who are yet to marry, because we realize that many people enter into marriage and into relationships without, first of all, knowing what it is about and what to expect. And therefore, they face so many surprises, which unfortunately are not pleasant. And then they feel that is the end of the world. Many have given up. Many are married and divorced after a few weeks. Many have broken relationships. Many have ended up in fights and, hurting one another and breaking of hearts and everything. All this can be dealt with if before we get together, we had some foreknowledge. So we will be having special programs where we will be addressing the young people who are yet to even enter into any relationship. Relationship is a key to life, and we need to really master it and also take full advantage of the benefits that it brings to us. No man is an island, as the saying goes. We all need one another. One of the things that leaders all over the world are going towards is to have a world where we can all be at peace with one another and love one another and be one. Family is the foundation for such initiative. I'm so glad we can bring you this program in English. And going forward, we look forward to having you participate. As I've already said, please like the program, share with your friends, invite many more others to come and be part of it. I wish you all a very happy new year, and we are ready to roll with you. Next week, by this time, you will receive the very first program where we will be talking on our general theme of relationship. I am Dr. Albert Kitcher, and this is today's family program. We are happy to come your way. Enjoy your day, and we wish you the very best. See you next time. Bye-bye.